installing this beautiful aftermarket muffler. So here we've got the new one. So that is one that I've been using for the last 10,000 kilometers. And yeah, that's sort of what it looks like after a bit of aging. So new on the left, old on the right. So this is what it looks like when it's all together with the spring intact. Left one doesn't have the spring. Comes with a 10mm clamp. I've already got that installed on the bike here. That's ready to go. Got everything off. Ready for the new muffler to be installed. So it comes with the spring there. So you just connect these two here. Comes with a bolt to bolt it on. So you can use the old OEM bolt as well if you still have that. Looks like this. Very similar. One just has a 6mm Allen key and it's a 13mm nut. So you will need a couple of things. It also comes with a silencer. So let's see if we can find that. There it is. There's your silencer. I prefer to run it without. Just sounds a bit meatier. It's up to you. If you don't want to piss off your neighbours, yeah, put that in. It sounds pretty good with the silencer anyway. Let's run it and see what she sounds like. So yeah, I'm going to cheat. I'm going to install the one I've been using for the last 10,000 kilometers, just to give you a better idea so what it's going to look like over time. So it does age quite well. I really do love the look, and it does sound really good. So let's put it on nice and quick. Literally just shove this down here, make sure it's lining up. Go with the twisting motion, sliding down as you go. Get our bolt ready. Undo that. Let's tuck that in there. Okay, that does look really good. Alright, slide this clamp up. Bring it out like that. Tighten that up. So that's a 10mm, 6mm Allen key, 13mm bolt. Remember, you can use the stock. So this is, to be honest, this one's way easier. Well, I like it because it's 10mm right here. It's just easy to slide off. But yeah, that's what the kit that it comes with is pretty. It's still pretty good. It looks nicer. So let's get it installed. Let's check 13mm on the back here. Just tighten it up. Get her nice and tight. Here we go. Let's get the 10mm here and tighten that up. Not too tight. Perfect. Nice and solid. Also comes with a pair of gloves. Yeah, so don't get too dirty. Let's see what she sounds like.